me, McKenna. This is my house. It's really, really pretty. The ground is amazing. Oh, look, that's my little eyeshadow. That little boy. Good boy. He's so adorable. Literally adorable. Now, wanna go see outside? It'll be really, really, really pretty. Oh, this is our other cat, Galileo. He's really chubby, but he's really nice, even though he's chubby. He looks like he eats 2,000 rats a day. Yeah, that's really funny. Here, this is the view of our backyard. And the sun is really, really, really pretty. We have a basketball hoop. Really, it's amazing. It's on our trampoline. Really. Once, a couple days ago, we sprayed the hose all over the trampoline and all over the grass, everywhere. We nearly flooded the grass, literally. It's so fun, literally. It's way fun. It's amazing. Let's go take a look at our raspberry bush, which hasn't grown because it's spring. It's nearly the end of spring, but it's still growing. That's our neighbor. Our home is beautiful. Literally beautiful. Look. So funny. So adorable too. Oh, there's a tree. Okay. I got it. Okay. Let's take a look at Shadow, the Russian blue. I know he's not blue at all, right? He's amazing though. Hey, see that? That's a reflection from this. It's something that's close to our door. It's over the glass. That's why it's kind of reflecty. Okay. You might know me as this really, really strong and smart girl named McKenna. Oh, there's our door. That's fine. I'm really funny. What did the spider say to the mother spider? I'm gonna go to the website where I can see the web. That's the joke. Oh, what did the rain say to the rain's mom? I'm gonna go take a rain check, like go around and see if it's gonna rain today. Look on the schedule. Shadow. He's funny. Hey, you know what? Let's take a look around in our beautiful sunlight room. is amazing. You might as well have liked this video. Stay curious and subscribe.